Got an old Tahoe dash piece. You can see he's been sitting for a while. This has actually been in a couple YouTube videos. This is the original Tahoe dash piece. And we're gonna experiment a little bit and put in a SoundMan side slider kit for the iPad Air. Kind of hard to see, but yep, this is the dash that we're looking to replace for it. First things first, I'm gonna line it up, mark where it needs to go, and start making a couple cuts. Also, stay tuned for this. We have a couple ideas about to happen for the Tercel soon. Amps are gone, not for good. Let's dust this off real quick. Get all the cobwebs off of it. Alright. I have it placed where I kind of want it to go. Pretty much dead center in the middle of this. So I'm just gonna take this silver Sharpie and mark around it for the spots we need to cut. And I need both hands, so I'm going to pick it up after I mark this. Alright. Just a couple cut marks. Nothing too bad. And it should pretty much fall into place. Oh, that's pretty much no going back now. We're cutting through some glue from a long time ago. It looks like there's some CA glue or something. I'm gonna show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. So, as you can see, the plastic is the black stuff behind the gray stuff. So, it's kind of causing it to crack a little bit. This is all gonna have to be sanded and fixed up. Most of it cut as good as I can. So, I'm gonna see if the iPad kit will fit now. The top kind of got horrible. Kind of all just crumbled off. Well, it can all be fixed, so let's just see if this slides in there. Alright, it's kind of hard to hold in by one hand, but this corner will line up. Got all the corners in their spots. Now it's just time to fill it in.